Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Cosmicbyte Magnetar USB microphone. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the product right in the middle. On top, we can see the Cosmicbyte and Magnetar branding, and right here we can see that it has a USB input. We can also see the USB Type A input in the image right here. On the right hand side of the package, we can see a couple of the salient features of the product. So let's go through them one by one. It has a high sensitivity. It can provide clear voice. It is compatible with PCs and MacBooks. It has a flexible 360-degree microphone design. And below that, we have the handles for the various social media pages of the Cosmicbyte brand. On the left hand side of the package, we have a couple of images. The one on the left shows a close-up image of the volume knob, and the one on the right shows off a close-up image of the mic on-off switch. Right here we have another image of the microphone in its entirety, and this time the stem has been twisted. Over here we have some of the technical specifications, so let's go through them one by one. It has a sensitivity of -58 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 2 decibels. It has a polar pattern which is omnidirectional. Its impedance is 2.2 kilo ohms. It also has a working operational voltage of DC 4.5 volts. Its frequency response ranges from 100 Hz to 10 kHz. Its sound to noise ratio is less than or equal to 50 decibels, and it has a cable length of 1.5 meters. Below that, we have a few of the features of the microphone. It can provide high quality sound with noise reduction filter. It is ideal for streaming, gaming, recording, and calls. The volume knob can help to adjust the microphone volume. It also has an on-off button. It is a flexible microphone, so you can adjust the angle at which the microphone is placed. It is compatible with PCs and Macs, as we have already seen earlier. And it has a non-slip base for greater stability. The overall weight of the product is 192 grams. On the back of the package, we have a couple more images of the product. Like here, we can see a close-up image of the non-slip base, and here we can see how flexible the microphone is as the stem has been twisted. Here we have some more information regarding the microphone. Compatibility with PCs, laptops, and Macs. We have already gone through that. We have the black variant. We have the quantity, which is 1. Below that, we have the manufacturer and importer information. And below that, we have the customer care details. At the bottom, we have the warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. And we also have the contents of the package, which include 1 microphone unit, 1 user manual, 1 foam windscreen, and that's about it. On top, there's some Cosmicbyte branding with the Cosmicbyte website, and we have a slogan that says, "Switch to God mode." There's nothing on the bottom, and that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. We get some reading material in the form of a user manual, and this should help you with getting started with using the product. We also get a foam cover that can be put on the microphone unit so that it blocks out any odd ambient sounds from the breeze or from the wind and any other sharp noises that the microphone might end up capturing. In terms of the microphone itself, we can see that the base is really flamboyantly designed. We can see some red grill pattern up front. In the middle of that, we have the button to mute or turn on the microphone. It has a pretty satisfying click to it. And above that, we have the volume knob that will control the input of the microphone. To the side, we have the Cosmicbyte logo. Underneath the base, we can see the soft foam base. So this should help with keeping the microphone in place while on a smooth surface, and it would also help not scratch up any nice smooth surface that you might place the microphone on. In the middle, we have the Cosmicbyte sticker with some branding and the serial number and model number. The stem of the microphone, as mentioned, is pretty flexible and can be adjusted to meet all of your needs. The stem itself seems to be about 10 inches long. In terms of the cable, we can see that it is a round type cable, and as mentioned earlier, it is approximately 1.5 meters long and it has a USB type A interface. We can also see the USB logo on the interface itself. So this was the unboxing of the Cosmicbyte Magnetar USB microphone. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.